is my life. This is my life. I can't sing one bit, but I don't need no collaboration on this song. It's a bit personal, so I'ma do the best I can. Just bear with me. Yeah. This is my life, my life, my life. 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 Listen, as I sit back and write this, I'll write this till I get carpal tunnel in my right wrist. Express to everybody the type of life that my life's been. Sometimes feel like the world shooting spit me out like some trident. I can remember being so young and vibrant. Grew up in a broken home, my pops was my lion. He tried to give me guidance, I had a fucked up mindset. Momentum's going one way, why am I defiant? I tried this so long and I don't know where the time went. So I get upset sometimes and don't know where my mind went. Blurred obscenities, apologize but can't rewind it. Just hope y'all forgive me of my ignorance and blindness. 175-8, heart and soul of a giant. Sometimes it get hard, I wish I was a pilot so I could just fly to an island's confinement. The time is here to see my stars reach alignment. This is my life, my life, my life. 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 I hit the streets, hustled and got rich. Got Benjamins, got women. Cause you know I got plenty, then lost sight of my vision. I got sentenced a few years to get in touch with my feelings and find myself along the way. Became colder than popsicles. Cause my niggas, they went left and the bitches did not visit. So the fact was obvious. I got finished with my sentence, set out to handle my business. My vision for my image, subliminal cause my lyrics and strategic thoughts really separates me from the ordinary. How am I different? I don't think I'm better than anyone, I just plot different. Now I'm sick of people acting like I owe them my figures. Now how silly. Listen, nobody but me write my lyrics. I doubt any of you who's listening can walk in my tennis. You tried this and I bet you return them in less than 5 minutes. But I did it, yet I've been to the bottom. Still I rise again, survived, and now I'm finally realizing what a Zion is. This is my life, my life, my life. 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 In the beginning it seemed like it was far-fetched, this imminent. I did it now with just so much resentment, shit I'm sensing it. I told y'all that eventually I make it with my penmanship. Conceived it and believed it, then achieved it with my diligence. No accident or incident, I knew that this was limitless. That's why I put my heart in it, my artistic ability. Then again got sick of living, being stuck like an insulin. I got to find something different, cause this right here just isn't it. Isn't this what many friends and family said was really impossible? I would amount to nothing worth anything. Now look at me, I hate to say I told you so. I told you though, my inner strength was infinite. That's how I kept my energy. It's like the more I live, the more I learn, the more intense it gets. Just calculate up my mistakes and learn through my experience. Stay genuine and pray for the world that we living in. Low tolerance for ignorance, stay seeking for what wisdom is.